Yeah, good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening. Only two are joined. Till now, six are there. Good evening. Good evening. Can you hear me? Okay. Only four are there. Okay. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Good evening to all. Right. Good evening. Good evening. Today I am going to explain some problems from volumes and surface areas. Volumes and surface areas. Yeah. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Just going to start now. Volumes and surface areas of solids. First of all, let us know what is volume. Volume is a capacity of an object. Volume is a capacity of an object is volume. Surface area means area of all the faces of an object. Whatever the objects, how many number of faces that a particular object is having. So sum of the areas of all the faces is known as its surface area. And even surface area there are two. Lateral surface area, total surface area. Lateral surface area means excluding top and bottom. Excluding top and bottom. For example, suppose this is an object. It is having six faces: top, bottom, front, back, side faces. Total six faces. So area of all the six faces is known as its surface area or total surface area. Surface area or total surface area both are same. And the lateral surface area means excluding top and bottom. Excluding top and bottom, the remaining faces area is known as its lateral surface area. I told you already. So we have only, in our syllabus we have cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Six objects are there total. Okay. Cuboid is having 6 faces. Cube is having 6 faces. Cylinder is only 3. Cone 2. Sphere 1. And hemisphere 2. This is what we have discussed in the class. Cuboid is having 6 faces and all the 6 faces are rectangles. Cube is also having 6 faces and all the 6 faces are squares. Cylinder is having 3 faces. Top, bottom are circles and lateral face is nothing but curved face. Lateral face is curved face. Cone is having 2 faces. One is bottom, the other one is curved face. A vertex of the cone is top of the cone is a vertex. Top of the cone is vertex. And bottom is circle, circular face. And the remaining face is curved face only. So cone is having only 2 faces. Hemisphere is also having 2 faces. One is circular face, the other one is curved face. But sphere is having only 1 face. So for sphere, lateral surface area, total surface area both are same for sphere. So if there is any question like this, what is the figure whose surface area? These LSA and TSA both are same. It is nothing but sphere. Okay? And we know all its formulas. LSA 2H into L plus B, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, and volume LBH per cuboid. Per cuboid, LSA 2H into L plus B, TSA 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, volume LBH. Volume LBH. LBH. LSA, TSA, volume. Okay. Per cube, 4a square, 6a square, a cube. Cylinder, 2 pi r h, 2 pi r into h plus r, pi r square h. Per cone, pi r l, pi r into L plus R, 1/3 pi r square h. Per sphere, 4 pi r square, and this is also 4 pi r square, 4/3 pi r cube. LSA, TSA both are same for sphere. Now hemisphere, LSA 2 pi r square, TSA 3 pi r square, volume 2/3 pi r cube. These are the main formulas that what we have to keep in the mind. నిద్రలో లేపడినా సరే చెప్పడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉండాలి. భలే వచ్చింది రైనింగ్. నిద్రలో లేపడినా సరే చెప్పడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉండాలి. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ వెంకటేష్. Who is Venkatesh? From 10B, Hemalata. Etla Hemalata, okay. Good. And slant height of cone is root over r square plus h square. Slant height of cone is root over r square plus h square. Children, cone ki 2 heights ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి vertical height అంటే వర్టెక్స్ నుంచి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది బేస్. వర్టెక్స్ నుంచి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది బేస్ అంటే వర్టికల్ హైట్ అంట. ఓకేనా? రెండోది వర్టెక్స్ నుంచి టు ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద బేస్. ఫ్రమ్ వర్టెక్స్ టు ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద బేస్, దాని స్లాంట్ హైట్ అంటారు. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ రేడియస్. OB is radius. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఈ OA, OB both are perpendicular to each other. Both are perpendicular to each other. OA, OB. ఎందుకంటే in class 9th as well as 10th we will solve problems belongs to right circular cones only. Not belongs to, related to. రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ కోన్లవే చేస్తాం మనం. కోన్ అంటే మనకి రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ కోనే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సిలిండర్ అన్న రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ సిలిండరే. ఏమిటి రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ సిలిండర్ అంటే ఏమిటంటే ఇలా సిలిండర్ ఉంది, సిలిండర్ కి టాప్ అండ్ బాటమ్ సర్కిల్స్ అని చెప్పాను కదా. ఇఫ్ వి జాయిన్ బోత్ ద సెంటర్స్ and radii, you can find the angles between the radii and the line segment joining the centers. The angle between them is 90. AB is the line segment joining the centers. Okay. AC, BD are radii. AC, BD are radii. So వాటి మధ్య యాంగిల్స్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుంది ఖచ్చితంగా. సో ఇది రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ సిలిండర్ అంటారు, ఇది రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ కోన్ అంటారు. సో యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ 90 లేకపోతే ఆ సిలిండర్ ఏమంటారు అంటే సిలిండర్ అంటారు, కానీ అట్లాంటి వాటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం చేయం. విల్ నాట్ డూ దట్ సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో ఇన్ క్లాస్ 9th as well as 10th, cylinder means always right circular cylinder, cone means always right circular cone. That's all. Whenever I say cone, you have to understand that it is right circular cone. Means the angle between the AO and OB is 90 degrees. You have to understood that. Take it granted. You have to take it granted that cone means always right circular cone. Cylinder means always right circular cylinder. Okay na? So that means AOB is a right triangle. AOB is a right angle triangle. So AB is hypotenuse. So L square is equal to R square plus H square, then L is equal to root over R square plus H square. అలా స్లాంట్ హైట్ ఫార్ములా అలా వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా? బికాస్ AOB is cone is a right circular cylinder. See, cone is a right circular cylinder అంటారు. Yeah. Cone means right circular cone, so triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. And slant height, yes, we can consider it as a hypotenuse. We can consider it as a hypotenuse. So L is equal to R square, L square is equal to R square plus H square, then L is equal to root over R square plus H square. Slant height of cone is equal to root over R square plus H square. Okay na? So if you want, you can take this screenshot, otherwise I am going to erase it and we'll move to problems. We'll move to problems. So can I erase it, children? Okay, good. Yeah. Right. The first problem, today's first problem. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeters. Find the capacity of the vessel and inner surface area of the vessel. Okay na? So diameter is 14 centimeters and the total height is 13 centimeters. See children, a vessel is in the form of a cylinder mounted on a hemisphere. Total height of the vessel is 13 centimeters and the diameter is 14 centimeters. Diameter is 14 centimeters. Okay na? So here we need to see that the diameter of the hemispherical portion as well as cylindrical portion both are same. The diameter of hemispherical portion as well as cylindrical portion is same. Now what is asking? First one, capacity. Second one, inner surface area. Capacity and inner surface area. Yeah. What to do now? How to find capacity there? Anyone? How to do capacity? Capacity means volume. So volume of this object. So this object is a combination of two. Volume is this object is a combination of two objects. One is cylinder, the other one is hemisphere. Okay na? So capacity means volume. So volume is here pi r square h plus 1/3 pi r cube. Pi r square h plus 1/3 pi r cube. Okay children, I am taking out this one first. First we will find volume. నేను సింప్లిఫికేషన్ కూడా చెప్తున్నాను. మీలో చాలా మంది సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చాలా ఎక్కువగా కష్టపడుతున్నారు. అది నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేశాను. I want to simplify some problems. నేను సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ చేద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే మీరు దానికి చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు దానికి. Yeah. First, total height of the object is given. We need to find out the cylindrical height. We know that diameter of the base is given 14 centimeters. Radius is 7 centimeters. Is that right, children? Total height is given. We need to find out cylindrical height. We know height of hemisphere is nothing but radius. So cylindrical height is equal to total height minus radius, which is 6 centimeters. Total height minus radius, which is 6 centimeters. Now we have cylinder dimensions and hemisphere dimensions. We have both. అలా ఉన్నాయి కదా అని కంగారు పడిపోయి don't be in a hurry to substitute the values. That is what I want to say, especially in mensuration. ఈ mensuration లో మనకు అన్ని వాల్యూస్ తెలుసు కదా అని don't be excited. Okay, see what I am doing here. I am writing the formula pi r square h plus 1/3 pi r cube. 1/3 pi r cube. Sorry, hemisphere na, sorry, 2/3. చెప్పరేడే సాంగి హెమిస్ఫియర్ కి 1/3 pi r cube రాస్తే చెప్పవే. నిద్రపోతున్నావా సాంగి? ఆర్ యు స్లీపింగ్? నమ్రత? Right. Now what I do here is I take pi r square common. I'll take pi r square common. So what is remaining here? H plus 2r. H plus 2r. Okay na? Now substitute the values. ఇప్పుడు substitute చేయండి. 22/7, 7 into 7, 6 plus 2 into 7. 7 7 get cancelled. 22 into 7 154. 2 7s are 14 plus 6 20. So answer is 8 0 3080 3080 centimeter cube. Volume of vessel is 3080 centimeter cube. Okay na? మీరు ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశారనుకోండి, if you substitute the values over here, it will take much time to you to simplify. Okay children, కామన్ తీసుకుంటాం అనేది ఈ వాల్యూమ్స్ అండ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియాస్ లో ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా. we'll see surface area now. How to do surface area? Surface area is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Inner curved surface area is asking inner curved surface area. Okay, so what we have to do, inner, since the vessel will have very less thickness is negligible over there, so we need to consider inner surface area or outer surface area, both are same in the case of vessels which are hollow. Okay, so 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Ikkada kuda don't be in a hurry, kindly take out something common over here. What we can take common? 2 pi r. 2 pi r taken common, remaining is h plus r. 2 pi r h plus r. నేను మీ అందరికి ఒకటి అడుగుతాను, ఈ ఫార్ములా చూస్తుంటే ఆర్ యు ఏబుల్ టు రీకాల్ ఎనీథింగ్? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Two pi r h plus 2 pi r square is also a formula of waiting for your answers. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square గుర్తురాట్లేదా? పోనీ కింద చూడండి రా, 2 pi r into h plus r. ఆ కింద చూడండి, సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్. వెరీ గుడ్. అంటే ఏమిటి అర్థం? What is the meaning of this? Surface area of cylinder and surface area of any object which is a combination of hollow cylinder and hollow hemisphere, both are same. If both are having same radii, conditions applicable. సిలిండర్ కి హెమిస్ఫియర్ కి సేమ్ రేడియై ఉండి ఆ రెండు హాలో అయితే ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కాంబినేషన్ టు సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సాలిడ్ సిలిండర్. సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సాలిడ్ సిలిండర్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యు హావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, నౌ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ద వాల్యూస్. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 plus 6 plus 7. 7 7 get cancelled. 44 into 13. 44 into 13. దీన్ని కూడా మీరు వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ లో చాలా ఈజీగా చేసేయచ్చు. 44 13 వేదగణితం మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. చూడండి ఎలాగో. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 12 plus 4 16 plus 1 17. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 572. That's all. 572. Okay na? Mali again I am repeating. 4 3s are 12. 1 2. Now cross multiply. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 12 plus 4 16 plus 1 17. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 572 centimeter square. 572 centimeter square. simplifications నేర్చుకున్నానా? I observe that many of you are not known or weak in simplifications. Many of you, I didn't say that everyone, many of you are weak in simplifications. So kindly try to understand now. Okay na? So I am going ahead with the next question. దీంట్లో నేను వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ కూడా మిక్స్ చేస్తాను, మీకు సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ ఈజీ అవుతాయి. Yeah. Next question. I'll read out. Kindly listen to the question first. Due to some floods, some welfare associations jointly requested the government to get 100 tents fixed immediately and offered contribute 50% of the cost. If the lower part of each tent is in the form of a cylinder of diameter 4.2 meters and height 4 meters with conical upper part same as diameter but height 2.8 meters. Okay na? And the canvas to be used cost rupees 100 per square meter. Find the amount that the associations will have to pay. What values are shown by these associations? This is what the question is. Because of floods in a certain area, some welfare organization, they asked the government to contribute 100 tents in that particular area so that these flood victims will be taken care of. Okay, and they even offer that they are ready to contribute 50% of the amount that was cost will be contributed by the welfare organizations. That was the offer given by them to the government, and they also given the dimensions of the tent also to the government. I'll write down the dimensions. So the tent is in the form of a cylinder. Base of the tent is cylinder which is 4 meters high and the diameter is 4.2 meters. Diameter is 4.2 meters and the cylinder height is 4 meters. Then after that, conical tent above it, whose height is 2.8 meters and having same diameter. ఇక్కడ డెసిమల్స్ కూడా వచ్చినాయి, జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈస్ the tent that they suggested to the government, and even they say that 50% of the cost they will bear it. So now you tell me what is the value depicted by this welfare organization, sir? What is the value? Can you say? Are they asking for themselves? Are they asking these tents for themselves or flood victims? No answers. Why? Are they asking for themselves? No. So what values they are having? What values they are having? Can you say in your own words? What values they are having? No one. So you don't know any value. Generosity, yes. Kind-hearted, concern about the society, concern about the society, very good. So the organization, they are showing these values. Okay, na? Helping nature, very good. They have helping nature, generosity, kind-hearted, yes. Concern about the society, and they feel that all are same. They can't see the people are dying in front of them. Okay, so they are raising their helping hands, and they are ready to bear 50% of the total cost, which costs for constructing these tents of 100 tents. Okay, now we'll solve the problems. So for constructing or for what we call it as for the I can say that for constructing only, for constructing such kind of tents which are waterproof tents, even though rain is there, the rain will not sink into the cloth. So rain-proof cloths, we can call it as canvas cloths, rain-proof cloths, canvas cloths. So what you want to buy, you need to buy it. Okay, what was the cost is given here? 100 rupees per square meter. Cost of canvas is 100 rupees per square meter. So first we need to find out total cost of the canvas. Total cost of the canvas that is required to construct, or what is the another word other than construction? What we can use over there? To build. Okay, to build. Can I say build? Sammy, you told me that you will suggest some words. Building or build. Okay, thank you. To build 100 such tents. So how to calculate the total cost of 100 tents? Anyone? How to calculate the total cost of 100 such tents? What we have to calculate? Anyone? What we have to calculate? Cost per tent into 100. So first we need to calculate cost of cloth required to total cloth required to make one tent is nothing but total cloth required to make one tent is nothing but TSA of the tent. Okay, na? TSA of tent is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Base lo cloth వేయంగా base అక్కర్లేదు. Base lo we cannot use the cloth on the base, so no need to consider base here. Okay. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of cone is pi RL. So here we can take pi r common, remaining is 2h plus L. So that means we need to find out L first. Okay, na? So L I told you root over r square plus h square. Radius is 2.1, make it as 21 by 10, and height is 2.8, make it as 28 by 10. Children, Conical height is 2.8. Make it as 28 by 10. And radius is 2.1. Make it as 21 by 10 whole square. So 21 by 10. 441 by 100. 784 by 100. Simplify this. Simplify and tell me what is land height, children, fast. (441 plus 781). We can take LCM over here 100. 441 plus 784. How much? 5, 2, 1225 by 100. 1225 by 100. What is the square root of 1225? Square root of 1225. 35. Madhumati ma'am is giving answers, eh? You don't know. దీనికి షార్ట్ కట్ చెప్తా చూడండి. యాక్చువల్ వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ వీడియోస్ చూడండి రా నాయన అంటారనే మీరు చూడట్లేదు. చూడండి స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1225 చెప్తా చూడండి. నంబర్ ఎండింగ్ విత్ 5. Number ending with 5. Square root also ends with 5. If a number ends with 5, square root also ends with 5. General గా square root అంటే ఇలా 2 numbers bar గా తీసుకుంటాం కదా. We'll take 2 numbers under a bar. We'll consider 2. So since the number ends with 5, square root ends with 5. Now consider the second part, 12. What is the nearest perfect square to 12? What is the nearest perfect square of 12? 12 కి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న perfect square ఏంటి? ఇంతసేపా? What is the perfect square near to 12? 9. Very good. What is square root of 9, Charlie? What is square root of 9? 3. That's all. 35. That's all. The square root of 1225 is 35. That's all. Okay, na? So here we'll get 35 by 10. Under square root 10. So 3.5. Slant height of the cone is 3.5. Okay, na? Now see. Now we need to find out the total surface area of 110. So 22 by 7, radius 2.1, that is 21 by 10, height 2 into 28 by 10 plus 35 by 10. So 7 3s 66 by 10, and there 56 plus 35 by 10. 56 plus 35 by 10. Okay. 56 plus 35, how much? 66 into 91 by 10 tens are 100. 56 plus 35, 91. నేను ఎక్కడ చూడండి 10 ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయట్లేదు. చూడండి మీరు ఎక్కడ 10 ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయట్లేదు. ఎందుకో ఆలోచించండి. థింక్ అబౌట్ దట్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ క్యాన్సిలింగ్ 10. నాకు టేబుల్స్ వచ్చు కదా అని టకటక 10 ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయట్లేదు. ఎందుకో మీరే అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ యూ. I am not cancelling 10. See, now 66 into 91. इंदाक वेदिकं सुप्रज ऊर्ध्वतिर्यभ्याम् 1 6 are 6. Now cross 54 plus 6 60. 6 here 0. Again 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 60. So 6006 by 100, which is 60.06 meter square. 60.06 meter square. So the cloth required to make one tent, is 60.06 meter square. 60.06 meter square. Now 100 such cloth required, 100 such tents. Cloth required for 100 such tents. For 100 tents. 6.06 into 100 to 6006 meter square. 6006 meter square. Okay na? Cloth required for 100 tents. 6006. Now, cost of 100 tents. 6006 into 100. Because 1 meter square is equal to 100 rupees, na? So total amount will be 600600. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 6 lakhs 600 rupees. 6 lakhs 600 rupees. So total cost required to make 100 such tents is 6 lakhs 600 rupees. So how much amount from this bear by organizations, welfare organizations? How much? 50%. So 50% means how much? Yeah. ఓహో నేను ఇక్కడ ఒక చిన్న తప్పు చేసేసాను రా నేను. ఓకే ఏంటా తప్పు చేశానంటే 2 pi r h, h place lo I need to write 4, not 2.8. h place lo I need to write 4. Only that a small mistake. Cylindrical height I need to write. Cylindrical height, na? I wrote conical height. Right, okay. Remaining procedure is same. Even see. So in the place of 2.8 you write 4. No problem in that. So you go ahead with the next problem. Next question. Yeah. A cylindrical A cylindrical tub of radius 5 centimeters, height 9.8 centimeters is full of water. A solid in the form of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere is immersed into the tub. If the radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters and total height of the solid is 8.5 centimeters, find the volume of the water left in the tub. Volume of the water left in the tub. Very good question. Very good question. Actually, directly board question this one. So what happened? There is a cylindrical vessel whose height is 9.8 centimeters and radius is 5 centimeters. And a solid object which is in the shape of a solid object which is in the shape of a cone mounted on a hemisphere, which is in the shape of a cone mounted on a hemisphere, immersed, whose diameter is whose radius is 3.5 centimeters and the total height is 8.5 centimeters. Okay, na? And we need to calculate the volume of water left in the cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel is hollow. That means we can fill it into with water. Cylindrical vessel is hollow. That means we can fill it with water. Okay, na? So water it is filled in the cylinder. Now what happened? An object which is in the shape of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. Cone mounted on a hemisphere. Okay, na? It is inserted into the cylinder. Okay. So when, according to Archimedes principle, when an object is inserted into a cylinder, into another object which is full of water, okay, full of water, then the amount of water that is displaced by the object is same as the volume of the object. Is that right? Archimedes principle gurtunda? Archimedes principle gurtunda andariki? Physics lo untundi kada, liquids lo, when an object is inserted in a water fully or partially, the amount of the water displayed by the object is same as the volume of the particular object. Gurtunda? That is inserted into the water. How many of you know it? Yes, very good. Only Manoj garike telusu, ingariki teliyadu anamata. Archimedes principle. So ikkada kuda volume of the water left in the cylinder ante em cheyali manam? Volume of water left in the cylinder is equal to volume of the water left in the cylinder is equal to anyone? Waiting for your answer. Volume of the water left in the cylinder is equal to, no, volume of cylinder minus volume of core plus hemisphere. volume of cylinder minus volume of core plus volume of hemisphere. This must be in the bracket. Okay na? Now volume of cylinder is pi r square h. In capital R, capital H better, because the radii and height of the objects are different. Minus volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h plus hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. One-third pi r square h plus 2/3 pi r cube. So what is the conical height? Only conical height. Can anyone say? Only conical height. Conical height. Conical height. Can anyone say? 3 centimeters, sir. Conical height, right? Total height of the object is 8.5 centimeters. Radius 3.5. What is conical height? What is conical height? Five centimeters. Correct. It is 5. Finally, Manoj wala 8.5 minus 1.5. Is it 4.5? 5 centimeters kada? 8.5 minus 3.5. 5 centimeters. Now substitute the values. 22 by 7 into radius, 5 into 5 into height, 9.8. Minus, we can take here 1/3 pi r square common here. 1/3 pi r square. So remaining is h plus 2r. So 22 by 7 into 25 into 98 by 10 minus 1/3 into 22 by 7 into radius 3.5. 3.5 you write it as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus h 5 plus 2 into 7 by 2. 3.5 you write 7 by 2 ra. 3.5 you write 7 by 2. Now simplify. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Here 5 5s, 5 2s, 2 11s. So total here 55 into 14. 55 into 14. And here we can cancel 7s and 2 11s. And here also 2 get cancelled. So remaining is 11 7s are 77, 3 2s are 6 into 12. 2 are kada, 2 into 7 by 2, 2 get cancelled, remaining is 7. Okay. Now, in even we can cancel here 6 are, so 6 1s are, 6 2s are. 55 into 14, apply Vedic method. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 5, 25, 27. 5, 7, 70. Minus 72 into 77 into 2, 154. Okay. 154 minus 770, how much? 154 into 770, how much? 616. 3.5 ని మీరు 3.5 అని పెట్టుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, centimeter cube. Don't forget to write centimeter cube. Volume of the water left out in the cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone mounted on a hemisphere. Cone mounted on a hemisphere. So, in 9.8, you need to write it as 98 by 10. 3.5, you have to take it as 7 by 2. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి బాగా. 10.5 అంటే 21 by 2. 10.5, 21 by 2, I'm telling you this. 3.5, 7 by 2, simplification easy అయిపోతుంది. Okay children. So here total height of the object is given 8.5, which is inserted in the cylinder. Total height of the object is given 8.5 centimeters. We need to find out conical height. So 8.5 minus 3.5. 8.5 minus 3.5, which is 5. Okay na? 4 ఏంటి? 8.5 minus 3.5 4 అవుతుందా? 5 అవుతుందా? వైశాన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్స్ కూడా 8.5 minus 3.5 ఎంత? వాడేమో 1.5 చెప్పాడు మనోజ్. See here, this total is 8.5, radius 3.5. So hemisphere height 3.5, radius height same for hemisphere. So then this will be 5. Conical height is 5. It is not type error, calculation error. 8.5 minus 3.5 type error ఎట్లా అవుతుందా? So this is a best example for integration of math and science. ఇక్కడ when an object is inserted into another object, then the volume of water or any liquid displayed is by the object is equal to the volume of object that is inserted into it. Archimedes principle. Archimedes ane telusa meeku? The great Egypt's mathematician as well as scientist. Rome anukunta. Egypt Rome? Egypt. ఆయన గురించి చాలా మంచి కథ ఒకటి ఉంది. ఈజిప్ట్లో ఆయన ఉండటం వల్ల ఈజిప్ట్ మీద ఎవరు యుద్ధం చేసినా వాళ్ళు గెలవలేకపోయేవాళ్ళు. బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ ఐడియాస్. ఆయన కొత్త వెపన్స్ తయారు చేసేసేవాళ్ళు, కొత్త వెపన్స్. సో ఈజిప్ట్ మీదకి ఎవరన్నా యుద్ధానికి వచ్చినా అక్కడ ఆ సైనికులందరూ ఆ వెపన్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ఎవరినైనా ఓడించేసేవాళ్ళు. సో ఈజిప్ట్లో ఉన్న ప్రజలందరూ చాలా ధైర్యంగా ఉండేవారు బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్కిమిడీస్. సో రోమన్స్కి ఏమో ఈజిప్ట్ని గెలవాలనే కోరిక. వాళ్ళు ఎన్నిసార్లు వాళ్ళతో ఫైట్ చేసినా ఎప్పుడూ ఓడిపోయేవాళ్ళు. ఓకేనా? ఆ తర్వాత ఏమైంది, ఆర్కిమిడీస్ ఎలా చచ్చిపోయాడు ఏదంటే కథ అంతా మీకు చెప్తా తర్వాత. ఆయన చంపేసేసాడు. హీ వాస్ కిల్డ్. ఆర్కిమిడీస్ వాస్ కిల్డ్. స్టోరీ అంతా నేను క్లాస్లోకి వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్తాను మీకు, అక్కడ బాగుంటుంది. ఆయన ఎలా చచ్చిపోయాడో ఏంటో. అలాగే పైథాగరస్ ఎలా చచ్చిపోయాడు. డిడ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ హౌ పైథాగరస్ డైడ్? ఇది చెప్పానా నేను ఎప్పుడన్నా? ఆయన్ని కూడా చంపేశారు, పైథాగరస్ని కూడా చంపేసేసారు, ఆర్కిమిడీస్ని చంపేసేసారు. వాడు న్యాచురల్ డెత్ కాదు, వాడిది చంపేసేసారు. అంత జీనియస్ని ఎవరన్నా చంపేస్తారా? అట్లాంటి మూర్ఖులు ఉండేవాడు అప్పట్లో. ఆర్కిమిడీస్ అయితే ఇంక చెప్పనక్కర్లేదు పాపం. ఆయన లైఫ్, ఆయన చనిపోయేటప్పుడు కూడా ఆయన ఏమన్నాడు, ఆయన సమాజం మీద ఏముంది అదంతా చెప్తాను మీకు. ఐ కెన్ టెల్ యూ, అండ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దట్ దేర్ ఇస్ అ ప్రాబ్లమ్. మీ టుమారో వి విల్ డిస్కస్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఓకేనా? చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంటుంది ఆ ప్రాబ్లం, చెప్తాను ఇది. అండ్ హీ లైక్స్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ వెరీ మచ్, ఆర్కిమిడీస్. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి, ఆయన ఏం చేశాడు, ఇదంతా రేపు చెప్తాను. Okay, that's all for today. Tomorrow again we will meet at 10 o'clock. So kindly join without fail sharply at 10 o'clock. Dhanyawad. Thank you very much. Mahaganadhipati. Thank you.